The chainsaw temporarily had stopped buzzing, and workers from Hazleton's Department of Public Works were tossing branches that they had already cut onto the back of a truck at Memorial Park. One of the workers, David Milano, told me they were removing an ash tree. Ash trees are dying, Milano said. The cause of death, it's the emerald ash borer, a beetle with an exoskeleton as bright green as its name suggests.
It's a human-driven disaster. People messed up and brought this beetle in and released it, and it's going to be a long time before we have anything, even if we were to find resistant species or resistant individuals, you can't replace tens of millions, hundreds of millions of ash trees. The ash trees in North America have never really been exposed to an insect like this before, and they've never had any reason to evolve any sort of defenses for an insect like this.
The ash borer moved east after landing in Michigan, probably aboard wooden crates shipped from its native China 20 years ago. It reached Pennsylvania in 2007 and Luzerne County in 2013. Able to fly a half mile, the ash borer covers greater distances by riding in loads of firewood or trees from nurseries. When reaching an ash tree, the beetle's larvae drill beneath the bark and feast. They notch rings around trees, killing them within 4 years, according to the Penn State Agricultural Extension. Research from the Arboretum at Penn State indicates that ash trees might survive the ash borer, but barely. Of 1,762 ash trees planted at the Arboretum, 13 survived as of 2 years ago. Researchers believe the survivors have genetic resistance to the ash borers. Also, the beetle's population will drop as ash trees, their only food, disappear. Ash trees aren't alone in facing extinction. Hemlock trees are under siege from a pest called the woody Adelgid. A blight wiped out chestnut trees in the first half of the 20th century. Scientists have been trying to develop strains of chestnut that can withstand the blight for decades since then. At Memorial Park, now, at least, the best hope for restoring greenery after the ash tree came down is to plant a new tree of a different species.